Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on AcuRite Atlas 06072 wind extension. Product details. Overview. Part description. Components. Wind assembly. AcuRite Atlas outdoor device. Extension base. Extension cord. Cord connector A. Cord connector B. Connection compartment. Connection compartment door. Rubber guard. Installation. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Step 7. Step 8. Step 9. Step 10. Optional. Fix battery. Sensor. Lightning sensor. Wind extension. Troubleshooting. Specification. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.